Welcome to Salesmate, where seamless collaboration meets effortless integration. Say goodbye to endless toggling between calendars and conferencing platforms. With Salesmate, you can streamline your workflow by connecting seamlessly with Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom meetings. Based on your synced calendar, Salesmate automatically offers either Google Meet or Microsoft Teams for your convenience. If you're unsure how to connect your calendar within Salesmate, you can visit our support article or view related video. As for other video integrations like Zoom, your admin takes the lead. They can easily activate Zoom from the Apps and Add-ons section within Salesmate. Once installed, it's a breeze for you to set up. Simply navigate to the Connected Accounts section under My Accounts. Authorize your Zoom account, and voila! You're all set to seamlessly switch between video conferencing platforms with ease. When it comes to scheduling meetings or activities within Salesmate, convenience is key. Simply select your preferred video conferencing platform from the drop-down menu and let Salesmate handle the rest. Our system automatically generates meeting URLs with your connected provider and adds them to the calendar invite, ensuring that everyone involved has easy access to the meeting details. Ready to revolutionize your meetings? Elevate your communication with Salesmate today. Stay connected, stay productive, and stay ahead of the curve. Elevate your meetings with Salesmate. Try it today.